Hello, in this tutorial we are going to learn how to zip the files, how to unzip them, and how we can list the files inside the zip folder, how we can compress the files inside the zip folder, or we can even password protect the zip folder. We can delete files inside zip folder specific files, and we can add files in zip folders, and we can also extract specific files from the zip folder, and we can extract excluding some files in the zip folder. So we will learn all of this. So let's first create a folder zipping. I have created and I keep this screen here so that we can view. Let me zoom in a little bit. Mm, Zoom in. So we will see in this folder how it. First let's make some files inside this. Touch shan. Oh, sorry. First let's move to this folder, cd root zipping. So let's make some folders and let's make some files, cd shan, cd no name dot txt. Oh, sorry, touch no name dot txt, touch file 1 dot txt, file 2 dot txt. Okay, now we are ready to begin. So first we will see how we can zip a single file and then multiple files. Suppose we want to zip the file1.txt. You will use the command zip, the name of the zip folder that you want to create. Suppose I want to create my zip folder as my file new dot zip, and the file that we want to include file1 dot txt. So new zip folder has been created. So if you want to list what's inside this zip folder, we can simply type unzip -l new dot zip. It shows me the files inside this zip folder. Suppose we want to unzip this file. So first let's remove this file1.txt, rm file1.txt. So it has been removed. Now so you can simply unzip it by using command unzip new.zip new zip. Suppose we want to add some more files to this zip folder, then we can simply type zip new.zip, the name of the files that you want to add. Suppose san. It will be zipped inside this folder new.zip. So let us see what's inside this new.zip. So we have now two files, file1.txt and another is san. So let's delete this zipped file, and to unzip this you use the same command unzip new.zip. So I am removing this. Now we will see how to add all the files inside the zip folder. So we can simply type zip, the name of files for I keep new.zip, and suppose we want to add these two files, then we will simply type file1.txt space file2.txt, and if we see what's inside this zip file, we can see that we have two files that we have zipped together. Suppose we want to zip all the files together. First, let us remove this new zip rm new dot zip. I remove this file. Suppose I want to add all the folders inside the zip folder, then we will simply type zip, the name of zip file, and we will simply type here star. It will zip all the files inside this zipping folder. So suppose we let's list unzip l new dot zip. Now we can see that all the files had been added to this zip folder. We have four files here. So now again remove. Now we will see that how we can compress the files. For that we want to first we will add something to our file. Sorry, we will add something to our file1.txt. Sorry, file1.txt. Sorry, what's happening? Okay, let's create a new file. Let's delete all this file rm, and we create a new file cat no name dot txt. We write something, hi, how are you, and we simply save this. We again create a new file no name 1.txt, and we write I am fine. Let's see what's there. Cat no name 1.zip. Sorry, no name 1.txt. So we don't have anything written here. Cat no name 1.txt. Hi, I am fine. Control D. Control D. ls cat no name 1.txt. So we have hi, I am fine written here. So we just clear the screen, and we see we can we just go to the manual. Okay, sorry, manual ls. uh, do not ignore entries starting with dot. Almost all. Ignore backups with lt. Sort by source c time directories, not their contents. Design for Emacs. We want to see the size of the files. uh, Hyphen h. Okay, so we type ls/lh. It doesn't shows me the size, so again I go to manual. Human readable print sizes like 1K to 30, 43 million, 2 GB, etc. Let me see more commands. Then I will show you how to compress the files. So we don't find anything here. So let us try by ourselves. Let me clear this once again. So we can see that view as detailed list. Okay, now we can see the size of the files here. Now we will compress this file. We simply use zip -r. -r is for recursively compressing the files, and the name of the new dot name of the zip files and the files that you want to zip. Name dot zip. Sorry, no name dot txt. So we find that new dot zip has been created and it's compressed, but it has not been compressed too much. So we use this for compressing the files. Suppose we have audio files, then in that case we will be able to compress them. Suppose you want to compress together more files, no name one, then you can use with that no name one dot txt. We have entered both the files inside this. So let us clear once again. Suppose we want to password protect the zip file. So first let's remove this zip file. Let's make one more file. hmm. rm new dot zip. So suppose we want to password protect the zip file, then we simply use zip -e and name of zip file new dot zip and the file name that you want to compress. Suppose I want to compress all the files, then we put star. If you want to do recursive compression, then we will use re or simply e or er if you want to do it recursively compression. And we just press enter and it will ask for the password. I keep any password. Now if you want to unzip this file, unzip new dot zip, it will ask me the password. So the password I have entered, I will enter this password, then it will simply unzip. It is asking me to replace, rename or anything, so I say that rename these files. New names, mm, file 1, rename file 2, rename file 3. It is asking me to rename because we already have the files created. So in this way we can password protect any files. Now suppose we want to extract any particular file from new.zip. First let's remove this rm no name dot txt no name 1.txt and then I remove all these three files, and we can see that in our zip folder we can list the files inside the zip folder new.zip. So here we have three files: no name 1.txt, no name, and shan. Suppose we want to unzip the specific files. For I want to unzip only no name.txt, then we will simply type unzip new.zip, the name of zip file, and the file that you want to extract, that is no name.txt. We have password protected this file, so it will ask for password, and I enter the password, and we see that only one file has been extracted. So now again remove this file rm no name.txt. Suppose we want to exclude some files while we unzip, so we will simply use -x and the file that you want to exclude. Suppose we want to exclude san, and we press enter. It asks for password because I have password protected it, and we see that shan has not been extracted, only we have excluded shan from extracting. So thank you for today's tutorial. Now I shut down now. Thank you.